Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming access and backups. Make sure you're signed into Gemini with the account that holds your photos. Once done, export or enable Cloud Sync for originals so you can restore if needed. Next, open device settings and grant Gemini explicit photo permissions, read and write, because without them you cannot replace or update images. Now launch Gemini and navigate straight to the photo collection you intend to change. This first step prevents permission errors later. You now pick the exact Gemini photo entry you want to change. Once selected, prepare the replacement image. Crop and match dimensions so metadata and layout remain consistent. Edit for color and exposure if the app preserves appearance cues. Save that new image to your camera roll or a local folder. This is crucial because Gemini only accepts a direct local file swap. Make sure the file name is clear and you can locate it quickly. This reduces mistakes during the swap. You complete the change by using Gemini's replace or upload function. Select the target entry, choose replace, then pick the prepared local file. Wait for the app to process. Check that thumbnails, metadata, and any link tags update. Once it looks correct, refresh or restart Gemini to ensure cache is clear. If the replacement fails, revoke photo permissions in settings, grant them again, and retry the swap. This often resolves permission or cache lock issues. If problems persist, restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.